Well, it's the beginning of December, which means here at Survival on Purpose, it's time for the November Battlbox review, the hunting box. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me here on a rainy December Saturday evening at this point. It's been raining a lot here in Georgia at the beginning of December. It's kind of cold. It's probably in the low 40s. And I've been really busy. I haven't had time to make any videos, or at least when it's been not raining, I haven't had time. So I got a tarp set up here. You can see the pole back here. I've got some lanterns hanging up in here. This is a very low-tech outdoor weatherproof studio here. So hope this comes out okay. But I did want to go, and I thought I don't know what happened, but it's again, it's already into December, and we haven't taken a look at the November Battlbox yet. So we're going to do that right now without any rambling. I'm going to take it down to the old stump top, and we'll go over what's in this box, and we'll talk about a little bit about how the subscription thing works as we go. And you can see what's in this box, and you can make an informed decision as to whether or not this might be something you want to explore further. If you do, there's going to be a link in the description where you can save 10%. So anyway, it's raining, it's a little cold. Let me take it down to the old stump top, and let's see what's in this month's battle box. It's the hunting box. Actually, it's last month, I guess. Okay, let's open her up. Here we have the November 2018 Mission 45 Hunting 2.0 box. And I'm going to I'll set it to the side for a minute so it's not in the way here. We'll take a look at what's in it. As always, it has a little list in here talking about kind of what the thought process that went into all the items on back, and it tells you what's in each level and what you get, and what their I guess their stated price is, or what they're figuring for the price. And the goal is for Battlbox is to provide you a higher value than you could buy the stuff for individually. It comes in 4 different subscription levels. Each level you get a little more stuff and you pay a little more. So we're going to talk about the first level is a basic level. Oh, also, as always, I've gone out on the old interwebs and just try to see what I can find this stuff for, kind of on the street, so to speak. So you can kind of compare and see what kind of value it really is to you. So anyway, no more rambling. The very first item in the basic level, the basic is $24.99 per month. And for that, you get some stuff. So here's the first item in the basic level. It is a 24-inch collapsible blow gun, and you can see it comes with the steel darts in here that you put together, and it's a 24-inch blow gun. You know, you might could kill a chipmunk with this thing, I'm guessing, but it may be illegal in some areas. They said they're giving us a $13.99 value. Honestly, the closest thing I could find on the old Amazon is for $19.99, so not too bad a value there. A little quick readjustment on the camera. The next item on the basic level this month is a Smith's field caping knife set, a 3-piece set, and these are just basically almost disposable little knives. They've got like razor type blades, surgical steel blades on them, made for, you know, just doing caping and skinning when you happen to be lucky enough to bag a good one. And they're giving this one a $9.99 value. Honestly, I found this exact set on Amazon for $12.01. So there's that. Next item is three pieces of the Dakotaline Snares, and these are just pre-made snares, which in my opinion, and I am by no means an expert at snaring, but let me see, there's 3 of these things here. If I can get them all detangleized, these work a lot better than just a piece of picture hanger wire or whatever. You know, they've got little slips on them here, and they're just designed to work properly. So, oh, losing my papers. The wind's blowing pretty good out here too. So they're giving this a $4.99 value. Honestly, I couldn't find a 3-pack anywhere on the old internet. I did find on Amazon 5 for $25, so that would give us a $15 value. Not sure if that's they're exactly the same snares or not. We're going to go with that $15 for these because I think that seems reasonably fair. Finally, last item in the basic box this month is the Ultimate Guide to Home Butchering book, which is really cool. It just tells you how to butcher a lot of different animals, and you can actually get the right cuts of meat, and without wasting. And you know, if you happen to be lucky enough to bag a big one, or you maybe want to raise some cows and kind of do that whole homesteading lifestyle, this could be a great resource for you. So giving that a $10.28 value. I found it for $10.75 on Amazon. So that brings their total stated value for the basic box this month at $39.25. I came up with $57.75. So the next level is the advanced level, which is $49.99 a month, which you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is a couple of things. First of all, it's the Outdoor Edge Zip Pro. Let me see if I can find that. Here it is right here. And it's basically a little folding, kind of reverse folding skinning knife, which it's got a nice little round knob on it here, so you don't, puncture any guts or anything. A little bit of a kind of some jimping here, so in case you got blood on your hands, and you can kind of zip this in and kind of gut animals with it, and not worry about destroying your meat with the innards. You know what I mean? So there's that. They are giving that one a $26.95 value. I found this on Amazon for $17.79. So we'll put it right there. And finally, the next item on the advanced this month is the Silent Retriever, which is really cool. It's kind of a little thing, and if I can get this thing out of here, my hands are kind of cold. Basically, if you're in a tree stand and you drop something, that can be a real pain in the neck. This thing is really neat. You tie it onto a piece of paracord or a bank line or whatever, you just drop it down and you can use it to retrieve all kinds of cool stuff. They got a cool video on their website, by the way, but they're giving this a $12 value, and that's how much I found it for, 12 bucks. And I think if you drop something out of a tree stand once or twice, it's going to be well worth the money. So pretty cool there. That brings our total stated value to the advanced level this month for $78.20, and I came out with $87.54. The next level every month that's available is a pro level, is $99.99 a month. Pro level, of course, you get everything in the other levels below, plus some more stuff. This month, it's a couple of cool things. First of all, it's the Outdoor Edge Wild-Pak, and that's right here. It comes in a nice little plastic package, and it is a lot of stuff. You got a boning knife, a skinning knife, a caping knife. It's got a little carbide knife sharpener deal here. You put, with just a really basic knife sharpener. Also has a bone saw and a rib cage spreader and some gloves to keep your hands from getting too bloody there. And a nice little plastic case that'll fit in your backpack or whatever you're carrying there on your four-wheeler. And they're giving this a $64.95 value. Gotta say, I found this exact kit on Amazon for $44.95. So let's stick that under there. And then the other item on the pro level kit this month is something I think is really cool. It's from Michael Hawk, the former Green Beret and survival show guy. And it's the Hawk's arrowhead package. And it's 5 different little arrowheads that you can create and make gigs or arrows or whatever in the field that you might need to do. Folds up really nice in a very compact little lightweight package. Gives you an opportunity to really have some effective hunting tools just really in your pocket in case of a survival situation. They're giving this a $24.95 value. Closest I could find it for is on a different website, but it was 20 bucks. So there's that. And that's everything in the pro level this month. That brings their stated value to $168.10. I came up with $152.49. And finally, the last level available every month is the Pro Plus or the Knife of the Month Club. And that means you get everything in the lower levels, plus you usually get a knife or a tool or something like that. This month, it's a pretty cool knife from the folks at Buck and Bear. It is, let me see if I can get this thing out of here. It's a Buck and Bear Survival Piranha knife. And I think it's pretty cool anyway. Let me just pop it out of here for you. So it comes in a nice Kydex sheath with a Tech Lock on back of it. And it's G10 handles and D2 steel, and just a nice sweep for skinning and using it for a hunting knife. It's also got a sharpened spine on back for striking a ferro rod, and pretty cool there. Their stated value for this one's $89.99. The closest I could find it for was $89.99, which brings their stated value for the Pro Plus top of the line subscription level this month to $258.09. I came up with $242.48. Okay, well that was the November 2018 Battlebox Mission 45 Hunting 2.0 box. As always, what I've tried to do is just show you what's in the box so you can make an informed decision about whether this is something that you want to explore further. If you do, there'll be a link in the description below. Once again, thanks to the folks at Battlbox for sending me these boxes every month so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. Not all of them have the pitter-patter of the raindrops on the tarp. You can check out another one by clicking right here. If you're not subscribed, please click right down there in the corner. And be sure to click that little notification icon bell thingy next to the subscribe button so you don't miss a single video. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.